Yeah.
Today in our kitchen, we'll be making a very easy and simple recipe for Ramadan 2021 chicken calzone. It's a very delicious recipe and quick to make. Let's get right into the video. First up, I'm taking 1 cup flour, I'm just going to whisk it a bit. So whisking is basically just like sifting the flour. Now I'm going to add in the yeast, about 1 tablespoon yeast. One teaspoon salt, and I'm going to give this a good mix. I'm just doing this so it makes the kneading easily. Now I'm going to add in water as per needed. Make sure it's lukewarm water. I'm using the whisk. You can use your hand as well, whichever one is easier for you. So I'm going to cover it for about 2 hours. Now let's prepare the chicken filling. I've taken boiled chicken and added the mayonnaise. I'm going to add the tomato ketchup and some hot sauce. So just keep in mind, I've only taken boiled chicken, mayonnaise, tomato ketchup and hot sauce. So as easy as that. That's our chicken filling done. Now our dough after about 2 hours. We're going to knead it a bit. Remember, for this recipe we don't need much dough. We just need a little bit. So I'm just going to divide it into equal pieces. I'm going to use the half in the video. Just going to sprinkle some more flour. You can sprinkle as much as you need so it doesn't stick to your hands, because it can get a bit sticky at times. So I've kept the half aside. I'm going to use the half. Now I'm going to roll it using a rolling pin. I've taken a pizza pan. You can use any other pan you might want to bake in. Just dust some flour on it. And there we go. Just make sure it's like an oval kind of shape, because we're going to fold it. Now you guys can use any pizza sauce. I've just using tomato sauce mixed with some hot sauce. You guys can use any pizza sauce of your choice. And now the chicken filling. Just leave the edges out, just fill in the middle, because we have to close the edges. And now some grated mozzarella cheese, or some might want to call it pizza cheese, but I've taken some grated mozzarella cheese. You can mix it with cheddar as well. I'll sprinkle some oregano. And now slowly we're going to fold it into a half. Just carefully do it. I know it can get a bit messy. So now just fold it like I'm showing it with your fingers. So while baking it will not open. And there we go. Our calzone is ready to bake. I'm just going to make some cuts so when the cheese is flowing, it didn't flow out of the calzone, because the cheese melts really quickly. Now I'm going to do the yolk wash. I've taken the egg yolk only. It gives it a lovely color on top. Now I'm sprinkling some oregano on top. You don't have to, it's optional. Now I'm going to bake it for about 20 minutes, or till you see the color is right on the calzone. And there we go. You can see how lovely it's looking. Let me cut it for you and show it how nice it's looking on the inside. You can see because of the egg yolk how lovely the color is. It's so yummy and cheesy, and because it's a Ramadan recipe, you guys can freeze this as well before baking and then bake it later at time. You can see it's looking delicious. I cannot wait to try it. So please guys do share, like and subscribe my video. See you guys next time.